Hey all, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Today I have my plan with me video for the week. I am using the Autumn Plaid kit from my shop. It is available now. It's just a fun transitional fall, from summer to fall. And I am using the glitter headers also. And then, yeah. I have my extra stickers and all that good stuff, so I need to go grab my scissors because I just remembered that. Oops. So, as per usual nowadays, if you hear any noise, it is Daisy, my kitten. Oh, see, there she is talking. She's like, hey, you was talking about me. She's in the room with me. If I lock her out, she will just cry and whine, and it's no good. Makes it even worse. She is definitely very spoiled. I love her so much, and she is just, it's kind of funny though, you can totally tell she's going to be a lap kitty later in life, but she is, because she just wants to love on you, but she's such a kitten that she's so easily distracted that she can't just cuddle up with you. But she has to be in the room with you. She wants all the attention, just typical kitten stuff. And I'm just really enjoying her. So I'm just putting in my date headers and then the bottom washi. Where's my bottom washi? There it is. And it's a little long, so I'm gonna have to trim it. I think I'm gonna use the top glitter too to kind of cover that. Oh, and I need to put the dates in because I haven't been doing that, and I looked back thinking, oh, I've been doing it, and I can't tell where one month ends and one another begins in my planner. And I just realized I probably have not been talking loud enough, so I'm sorry. It's really hard for me to remember for some reason that I have to speak louder than my normal speaking. So, that's way crooked. Let go, let go, let go. Oh, I got a kitten behind me. She's attacking me. So, there we go. This last weekend was my sister's birthday, and we went into the city to have dinner with her friends, and we spent the night. And we were all safe, so no worries there. We were all socially distancing when we had to. And I have a kitten up here who is not supposed to be up here, so I need to take her down. Like I was saying, we had a lot of fun and just general silliness. It just felt good to get out of town, and even though it was only like an hour away, it was just really nice to just see people, even though we couldn't like really interact with other people that weren't in our friend group. But yeah, but it was fun. And let's put these dates down. I've made the little dots smaller, so I really should get my, I say this every time I plan, I really should get my tweezers because my chubby fingers don't do well with this. Okay. Now I'm going to do headers. Which ones? We've already got yellow there. Let's do the blue ones since those don't seem to be on there yet. Oh wait, or do I want, oh no, I didn't print that page. So yes, blue ones it will be. What is she doing? The thing about kittens, like they're so fun, but they're holy terrors at the same time because they're in everything and you have to be on them constantly going, stop that, just don't do that. But they are so worth it, and while it's tiring, it's still good. I also keep her up all day so that she sleeps all night, and it was much easier to flip her sleep schedule than it was my first cat because he was a little older. He was about 9 months old when I got him, and so he was pretty much set in his ways. But since she's about 3.5 months old, she's been a little bit easier. It only took a couple days, and she's gets up around 6:30 and she'll play all morning, and then usually right about now, between like 1 and 2, she'll get tired and take an afternoon nap, and then play all afternoon, evening, and then she'll go to bed with me. She gets like super zoomies around 8, and then she plays with me. I play with her then, and then she goes to bed with me around 9 and doesn't bother me. So I think she gets up in the middle of the night and maybe plays and does some stuff, but she isn't like super loud or anything, so I don't notice her. And that is really nice, to be honest. So with the way I plan in this, I probably can get 2 weeks out of this, which I think I might try to do. So I think that would be fun. Since I have the blue in this one, I will take this one and do that. Okay, so tomorrow is the 1st, so I want to pay my bills. I'm just gonna put it here to cover up that because I know it'll cover that. Today was a payday, so put that one down. I need to do laundry today because what do you call it? All from like, we went to the pool and all that kind of stuff, so I have all that good stuff to do. Oh, we had people over today. The window people were here. So let's use a glitter. And we'll put this one. Hopefully I'm in frame. I think I was. That's like the biggest problem. I need to make like a grid on here with like washi tape. I just haven't done that yet. So there's that. I'm doing shop stuff. So I'll make this one there, and then I'll leave that done. Tuesday, I don't have anything planned. Just the bills. Wednesday, there's nothing. Really, that's like the rest of the week is pretty much done. I feel like there's something else this week, like Saturday. I feel like there's something Saturday, but I can't remember. Oh, I went for a walk this morning. I need to put that in because I have been really horrible at keeping up lately with the heat, like doing what I need to get done. I can use this blue one. It's a heart, but I'll put a sticker over it. I'm gonna put it up here actually. Being healthy and walking and doing stuff like that because, I don't know, I just got lazy because it was so hot outside, and like it's hard to go exercise when it's in the 80s or at like the first thing in the morning. Where are my exercise ones? Oh, yay. I have one little to grow, one left. So I'll put that here. Let's see what else. I think, I'm gonna do new releases on Friday, so let's do this yellow one. And Sunday, I'm actually gonna go to church. Me and my sister are going to try try it out. We have not been since everything started, but online church, I'm glad it was there. It's just not doing what I need it to do anymore. Like, it's not, I'm not doing the online. I've kind of like been lax with it, which is not good, but yeah, you just know how it's just different when you're in person. So, like, where did my church stickers go? Oh well, I'll find them later. They're somewhere. Yeah. Okay, so let's put these back. And if you want to see how it is all filled in, go check out my Instagram. And here's that. Let's make sure it's all pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.